Welcome back everyone, Lee here again. Today I'll be demonstrating how you can add more team members to your project in Awario. Depending on your business needs and development, it may sometimes be necessary to grant multiple people access to your account. This is ideal if you'd like to showcase your findings with a client or potential lead. If you're on the Pro or Enterprise plans, Awario offers the ability to include several extra team members on your account, which can have varying permissions depending on their role. Let's invite someone to my dream team. To begin, click on the plus invite your team button, found just to the left of the account settings button. You'll be taken to the team settings page, where you'll have the opportunity to give your team a creative name. For now, it's feeling a little lonely with just me on this team. Let's click plus new team member. In the email field, enter in the address of the person who you'd like to use the tool. This is also the address they will use to sign in as a team member of your account. When selecting their role, consider the responsibilities and needs of this person when they use the tool. Will they need to make changes to any settings? Should they be able to modify billing details? We're seeing short descriptions of these roles right here. We have a comprehensive table on permissions over on our training center. Under Project Access, you can select exactly which projects this person will have access to. Once you click Invite, this person will receive an email with a link to join your team.
Don't forget, with the Pro plan, you can have up to 3 team members, while on our Enterprise level plan, you can have up to 10 team members using the service at the same time.
If you've got a business the size of a small country, we can accommodate up to 500 team members on one of our custom plans.